Hi, welcome back to Dawn's Astrological Vision. Stand by for Virgo, April 2015 forecast. Welcome back, Virgo Sun sign and Virgo rising. Your ruler Mercury is transiting your 8th house in the sign of Aries until the 14th. There could be a tendency to speak first and think later. Communications concerning joint finances, corporate business, wills, insurance, taxes, and alimony often accompany this transit. Your mind will be more on joint resources and you are researching and taking nothing at face value. After the 14th, Mercury moves into the sign of Taurus, your 9th house. The 9th house is considered the house of the higher mind, and your mind could shift over to matters pertaining to higher education, politics, and religion. Debates about any of these issues will probably get your juices flowing. It is important to listen to those whom you disagree with. The sun is in the sign of Aries along with Mercury at the beginning of the month. Again, there is involvement in investments, insurance, joint resources, and you are preferring to control the purse strings. Activities involving shared resources, budgets, loans, taxes, or investments are in focus. There could be an increase in sexual activity. On the 5th, the Sun squares Pluto in your 5th house. This involves your 8th and 5th houses. Pluto's Sun aspects are notorious for manipulation of behavior patterns through guilt association or moral projection. This square aspect tends to manipulate others for one's own desired ends. After the 20th, the Sun moves into Taurus and trines your sign, Virgo. Personal financial investments and speculation are favored. It is a favorable time to approach those in positions of power and for seeking support for personal creative endeavors. Mars is in the sign of Taurus for the entire month, Virgo. This is your 9th house, and you may feel aggressive in regards to your personal, political, religious, educational, and cultural values. Business involvement with foreigners or foreign countries or long distance commerce may occur. On the 17th, Mars squares off with Jupiter, and this involves your 9th house and 12th house. Unnecessary financial and physical risk should be avoided. Be careful of extravagance in business and financial affairs. If traveling abroad, be careful of impatience, recklessness, and carelessness during your travels. This is not the time for legal battles. The full moon solar eclipse is in your 2nd house, Virgo. Money and security is important to your emotional well-being. The 2nd house governs the income earning power, portable possessions and property, also general finances and resources. It reveals how you earn and spend your money. There may be some income changes, or you may make or spend big money with an eclipse falling here. There will be a reassessment of the finances, material assets, and creature comforts. An eclipse initializes the potential for important changes and transitions to occur in the matters signified by the position of the eclipse in your horoscope. We are evolving at a faster rate in the matters connected with this house it falls in. The new moon is in the sign of Aries, your 8th house, on the 18th. Family, finances, taxes, insurance, inheritance, alimony, and sex can all become an emotional issue. Psychic perception, hunches, and intuitions can be stimulated over the next couple of weeks. Business activities related to food, farming, and domestic products and services characterize this transit. Venus is transiting Taurus, your 9th house, until the 12th, and your social life could be related to educational pursuits and religious institutions. After the 11th, Venus moves into your 10th house of career and reputation, and you will enjoy an enhanced social reputation. Professional partnerships can be formed, and professional dealings with women often take place during this time. Jupiter goes direct on the 8th and Leo, your 12th house. This is the first time lucky Jupiter has gone direct this year. You can benefit from introspection and meditation at this time and are likely to seek spiritual retreat and seclusion. Usually one is protected from harm during Jupiter 12th house transit, as long as your past actions and motivations have been constructive. Pluto goes retrograde on the 16th in the sign of Capricorn until September 24th, 2015. Pluto has been transiting your 5th house since 2008, and major changes have occurred in your creative self-expression, social activities, and pursuit of pleasure. There may be intense romantic involvements. You may have been working very hard at improving affairs related to children. On Tuesday, April 21st, Mars makes the first of its 2 scheduled trines to Pluto. Mars and Pluto are a power-packed duo, and when they make favorable aspects to each other like this, it can be a time for a life-changing experience. Mars is in your 9th house and Pluto is in your 5th house. This aspect stimulates passions and desires. This favorable aspect can bring extraordinary physical strength and tireless determination to reach goals. This completes your April 2015 forecast, Virgo. I want to thank you for returning, for subscribing, and I hope you continue to subscribe and like Dawn at Dawn's Astrological Vision. I'll talk to you next month, Virgo. Have a wonderful month. Bye.